This magnificent chronicle, lavishly decorated with 76 miniatures and 2 dazzling frontispieces, was very likely created for King Charles V. The Histoire ancienne jusqu'à César recounts the history of the world from Genesis to the birth of Julius Caesar, while the Fête Romaine describes decisive Roman battles. The history at hand is densely illuminated with riveting and brutal battle scenes. Despite depicting clashing ancient Roman armies, the figures are rendered in typically medieval dress and armor. The Illuminators, the master of the Coronation of Charles VI and a collaborator, are known to work almost exclusively for the king.